You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
You can see clouds rolling over Shasta County in this time-lapse video west of Redding. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff has our forecast. Jason, are we looking at any chance for rain in what we're hoping will be maybe a miracle March?
A miracle March would be miraculous and not too likely. But we do have chances for some rain and snow in the 7-day forecast, just not in the next couple days. We have more wind than you want. And speaking of rolling clouds, I want to show you a different time lapse that I created. This one's looking toward Mount Shasta. You can see on the left side of your screen there. And pay attention to these wave clouds. They're just about stationary. As that wind is blowing from north to south, it just undulates up and down, and where it's going up, it creates the clouds. Where it's going down between these clouds, that is where it evaporates, so it gives the impression of stationary clouds. Kind of look like the flying saucers from Independence Day, but thankfully they are terrestrial. So as you can see, the temperature is still warmer than average for this time of year. Lots of lower 70s for the valley, 40s, 50s, and 60s from Alturas to Chester and Paradise. We've had some gusty wind, but we're going to have more gusty wind going forward. Also, a lot of high, thin clouds outside. Again, those are not rain or snow-bearing clouds, but we're going to see if we can change that in about 5 to 6, perhaps 7 days. Looking at the long-term forecast, we're just going to have a mostly sunny sky tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Another disturbance is moving our direction, going to give us a slight chance for some showers of rain and snow over our northeastern counties, Modoc, Lassen, and Plumas County. That does not last very long, though. We'll have even more sunshine along with stronger wind on Thursday, but there is some promise in the extended forecast. After fairly quiet weather Friday and Saturday with a ridge of high pressure in control, 2 other Pacific storms will move our way. The first one is pretty weak. It's going to give us some clouds, a slight chance for showers on Sunday, but that's not going to amount to very much. The better chance for some rain and mountain snow will be getting here Monday into Tuesday. It's not a guarantee, but it's the best chance that we have right now for that rain and snow that we need. Certainly not a drought buster, but we're going to keep our eyes on it. I'm going to track it for you all the way through next week. Now, here's one of our forecast models. Doesn't bring very much rain in the short term, but healthy amounts in the long term. This would be pretty nice. A lot of valley locations between a 1/2 inch and 1 1/4 inches. More than that with the rain and snow mixes for the mountains. Coming up in our second half hour, I'm going to show you a different forecast model as well as the snowfall projections too. But in the short term, it's not about the rain or snow, it's all about the wind. We'll have some more breezes on Wednesday. Unfortunately, stronger wind late Wednesday night through Thursday. A lot of valley and foothill wind gusts between 25 and 40 miles an hour, which is what we do not need when we have a fairly dry fuel as well as dry air. Very dry for this time of year. So the next several days, we'll have a dip in the temperatures, but an increase in that wind speed on Thursday, averaging the upper 60s around the valley, but lower 70s bookending that Thursday forecast, and we'll also have a better chance for some rain early next week. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. We'll have a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky for Siskiyou and Trinity counties. Daytime highs in the 50s and lower 60s. A chilly morning and a seasonable afternoon for the northeast. High temperatures mainly in the 50s. For the ridge, not too much wind tonight, but just enough to keep most of those lows in the 40s. Highs comfortably mild in the 50s and 60s tomorrow afternoon. For the valley, we'll also have upper 30s and lower 40s tonight. Slightly warmer than it was this morning with a light breeze. Tomorrow's highs a little bit cooler than today, but above average in the lower 70s. And for the Chico area, lows tonight also in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Highs return to lower 70s with a breezy day Wednesday. That's going to be a windier day late Wednesday through Thursday. We have increasing clouds Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with a chance for some wet weather early next week. And also, don't forget, we spring forward Sunday morning, so make sure you go 1 hour ahead Saturday night when you go to bed.